Off the lure! Woo!
Wait.
Something about catching fish on lures is just, it just feels good, you know?
Woo!
I think fished out already over here.
Huh?
It's fished out over here. Just gotta keep on throwing because there's something out there.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh, yep. Got one. Oh, oh. Woo. This feels big. Does it feel like a turtle? No, it does not. No. It whacked. Oh, it feels, it's pretty heavy. Oh, there it came out. It's going to the rocks. It's only just one hook. Bring it up. Yeah. Oh, you always get him every time. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh. That felt good.
Oh, hit this one. Oh.
Woo!
Told you. Oh, switch.
Woo, my baby!
Finally get my first one. Yeah!
Wait, the lure. Where's the hook?
Oh, deep.
Oh.
Not going nowhere.
Woo!
I gotta switch.
That's a good one. off the Duo Rough Trail Mahalos with my saltest baby. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Oh, I'm stoked. Woo. Yes sir. Off the lure. Woo!
Wait.
Something about catching fish on lures is just, it just feels good, you know? Woo! Woo! Nice fishy. Yeah, I gotta go to... I didn't expect that, so yeah, I'm stoked. Okay, I think we'll call it a day. What a morning. What a good morning. Have a good morning, whoever's watching this. Thank you very much for everything. Is it just me, or is this the most beautiful fish in the world? Thank you, buddy. Thank you very much. Bro, this lure is boss up. Look up, no more eye. This is you know, I think I'm going all blue today. Look at that, blue, 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 blue. Yo, I just gotta catch an Ulua now, you know. Just gotta catch an Ulua. What you thought about my fish? What did you say?
It's mine.
That I what your fish?
Stolen my fish.
Stole it! How dare you!
Stay by me. I'm just your lucky charm.
Every time I'm with my dad, I always catch one! And it, oh, it's crazy! How big?
8 pounds.
Oh, focus! 8 pounds! Wow! Focus! Thanks to everybody for the positive support, as well as the likes and the subscribes. I got plenty out of nowhere, so thank y'all. I think this is the end. Just gonna keep it simple tonight, so thank you for embarking with me on this journey, but part of the journey is the end. Till next year. Woo!